How to remove acne scars naturally, 20 home remedies that work. 1. Lemon. You can use lemon to fade acne scars. Firstly, it contains vitamin C, which helps build damaged cells in the skin. Secondly, citric acid works to remove dead skin cells. Thirdly, it also contains alpha-hydroxy acid, which acts as a bleaching ingredient, thereby fading scars. You can apply it directly on your skin if you are not going out in the sun. Alternatively, you may use a lemon face mask. 2. Egg whites. Eggs are a great source of protein that is good for your general health. However, you can use the whites of the egg to treat scarring. Use a cotton ball to dip the white of the egg and apply it on your face. After it dries, you can rinse it off your skin. You can even sleep with it on and wash it in the morning. 3. Aloe Vera Gel. Cut a part of the aloe vera leaf and peel the outer portion. Use the fresh gel directly on your skin. Not only does it help fade the scars, but it also moisturizes your face. Massage it on and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it off. 4. Olive oil. Olive oil contains antioxidants that help heal skin, thereby treating your scars in the process. All you need to do is dip a cotton ball in olive oil and directly apply it to your face. Massage a little olive oil onto your face every day for the best effect. 5. Sandalwood. Sandalwood is commonly used in Indian households to treat a myriad of skin issues. Mix some sandalwood powder with water and make a paste. Apply the paste to the affected areas of your skin. After 15 to 20 minutes, you can wash it off. 6. Tomato slices or pulp. Tomato contains two vital ingredients, vitamin A and carotenes. Rich in antioxidants as well, tomato is perfect for fading scars. You can apply tomato slices or pulp on your skin to help heal scarring. 7. Baking soda. Baking soda has bleaching properties, which is why it works wonderfully for scarring treatment. You simply need to make a paste from 2 to 3 spoons of baking soda and water and apply it on your skin for a few minutes. 8. Potato slices. Potatoes are rich in nutrients such as vitamin C and B6, flavonoids and potassium. Cut a few slices of potatoes and rub them on your skin daily. Soon, the scarring will fade. This helps to diminish redness, itching, and inflammation of the skin. 9. Honey. Honey, a natural moisturizer, can help heal your skin. Gently massage raw honey onto the affected areas of your skin every day. You can add a few drops of lemon juice to honey if you want to improve the chances of healing. 10. Cucumber. Cucumber has skin repairing and moisturizing capabilities, which are useful for treating acne scars. Cut a cucumber and put the slices on your face for around 20 to 30 minutes. Then wash your face. You can do this 3 to 5 times a week. 11. Turmeric powder. Turmeric helps to brighten skin and give it an even tone. You can make an easy DIY mask by mixing turmeric and water to make a paste. Apply it on your face and let it dry. After it dries completely, rinse it off with lukewarm water. It will also help to reduce inflammation. 12. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is a great moisturizer with healing capabilities. Take a few drops of coconut oil on your palm and massage it into your skin. You need not wash this off. However, if you do not like the texture, you may wash it off after 30 minutes. 13. Iced green tea. Green tea happens to contain a high level of antioxidants, which fight free radicals that damage your skin. It also has antiseptic qualities that kill acne-causing germs. To use it in your skincare routine, you need to steep a green tea bag in warm water. After removing the bag, pour the liquid into a tray and put it in the freezer. Use 1 ice cube at a time to rub on your face. 14. Green coconut water. Coconut water contains acne-eliminating cytokinins and antioxidants. It also fixes sagging skin. Get a fresh green coconut and cut it open. pour out the water into a bowl. Instead of drinking it, use a cotton ball to wipe it on your face. Then wash your face with water. 15. Fenugreek, methi. As fenugreek has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, it helps to eliminate the growth of acne and skin infections. Soak a handful worth of methi seeds overnight in a bowl of water. Make a fine paste of the seeds and add a few drops of rosewater. Use a warm towel on your face to open pores before you apply the paste on your face. After it dries up, wash your face with cold water. 16. Tea tree oil. Tree tea oil is both antiseptic and antibacterial, helping prevent skin infection and healing wounds. Take a few drops of tea tree oil in your palm and massage it into the affected area. After 10 minutes, dip a cotton ball into some lukewarm water and remove the excess oil from face. 17. Yogurt and honey mask. Yogurt contains a substance called alpha-hydroxy acids that work to minimize the redness of acne and other blemishes on your skin. First, mix 2 tablespoons of yogurt with 1 tablespoon of honey. Then, apply the mask to your face and rinse with water after 10 minutes. 18. Besan. Besan effectively treats acne scars as it exfoliates the skin, removes dirt and dead skin cells, and lightens the skin. You can make a face pack by mixing Besan with water to make a paste. Apply it on your face for 15 minutes before rinsing it off. Finish with a moisturizer. 19. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar soaks excessive oil and naturally exfoliates the skin. It can also reduce the redness of acne and make them smaller. Simply dip a cotton ball in apple cider vinegar and apply it on your face. After 20 minutes, wash it off with cool water. 20. Castor oil. Castor oil works to repair damaged skin and promote the growth of new skin cells. It also helps decrease hyperpigmentation and reduces acne scars. Use the cotton ball method to apply castor oil onto your face for a few minutes. However, as it has a thick consistency, you must make sure you wash it off properly. As you can see, there are plenty of ways in which we can learn how to remove acne scars naturally. However, before learning how to treat acne scars at home, let's learn about some preventive tips for acne.